Okay, so this is literally the first video I've done in a while, and I'm excited for this. I'm really excited for this. It's been a couple months since the last video. I believe in the last video I talked about my Crowdy K1 I got, some of the issues I was having the upgrades I've done to it. But in this video, I want to show off a project I printed on that printer. Right here, I have a stack of pegboard plates, and these were created by I believe Printable Accessories for one of their monthly subscriber things. And basically, they're just pegboards. They have about, I believe it's a 1/4 inch in thickness, about 1 inch in between each hole, regular pegboard dimensions. But this is cool. This is something I've been trying to find for a while, something that I could use as a pegboard so I can hang up in that empty area of the wall. Because a lot of the projects I want to do, a lot of the stuff I want to do, includes painting miniatures, just like these. And I want to be able to just have all my tools ready at hand. I want to be able to just grab it off the pegboard. I want to have some paints hanging there, and I want something to help, bring some color and some shape to the background of, my video areas. So in this video, I wanted to look at these pegboards. I believe I printed these before my move, which, if you haven't noticed, I moved. This is a new location. Printed these, I believe, at 0.24 millimeter layer height with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle. Took about, I believe, an hour per pegboard. And I've got a stack of 12 of them here to make I believe it was a 4x3 grid that I plan to put on the wall. Video setups like this one, will change over time. This isn't my finalized setup. I don't know really where I want to set up cameras. I want to be able to have like this in the background, that shelf in the background, so that whenever I'm making a video, y'all can see projects I have in the background, stuff coming up in future videos, and I want to be able to present more like that. So before I start rambling too much, let's get started on assembling these pegboards. And I can't find my full-size screwdriver, so I'm using this tiny little one. Hopefully it works. I want to keep them a little bit loose like this, that when I put them on the wall, they can lay down flat instead of being bowed out. So y'all might be wondering why I'm choosing to assemble a pegboard instead of just, I don't know, going out to Home Depot and buying one. Well, it's mostly because of cost. Last time I looked on Home Depot or Lowe's or even Harbor Freight, pegboards of this size would have cost me around, I think it was around 50, 60, almost $100. And I just wanted something cheap, a cheap solution I could just have on the wall because I live in an apartment. I can't really put this on the wall without screws, but I'm planning to use some Velcro strips, and Velcro strips that are rated for about, I believe it's said about 20 pounds. So hopefully that works. My plan is to distribute that weight across the whole pegboard. So as I continue to assemble this, I would like to thank everyone for continuing to watch my content. I would like to thank you all for, being here for me. I'm trying to produce more content. I want to do a lot more small video content and a lot more bigger video content. And I kind of want to create some shorts leading up to the bigger content, showing off some of the behind the scenes, showing off what's coming, like little sneak peeks. And I can't wait to produce more content like that and just share more stuff with y'all. And if you're wondering what screws I'm using these M4 by 12 millimeter screws. It's the recommended screw size for most of the printable accessories objects, from the Omni 1, 2, and 3 to their enclosures to a lot of their projects. They use mostly M4 screws. I'll be linking down below the screws I'm using along with the project files for that I'm assembling here. And here is. This is the whole pegboard. This is what I'm planning to put on the wall in just a minute here. And it is relatively large in my opinion. I'm going to be using some Velcro strips on the back, mostly because I'm not allowed to put holes in these walls since this is an apartment, and you know how apartments are about holes in their walls. So let me get Velcro strips, and then we'll get those laid out here, and then we'll get the board on the wall. Using these command strips, they're rated for about, I believe Amazon said about 20 pounds, so hopefully it's right. I'm planning to put them mostly in this area right here, down the center, to help distribute the weight better. I should hopefully have enough command strips for all of this. Hopefully. Don't remember how many came in this package. But I'll also have this link down below, these command strips. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not really sure how to apply for an Amazon affiliate link. I just want to be able to share the materials I'm using with y'all without, like, it would be nice to get some, kickback from it, but I honestly don't know how to set up an Amazon affiliate link for that. Let's see how many I have left. 2, 4, 6, 8. Looks like I am going to be short one strip. Okay, I'm going to let these sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to go put it up on the wall. I'll be back in a minute. For y'all, it'll be a jump cut away. Okay, this should be ready now. Let's go put it up on the wall. Hopefully this is straight enough. A little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. But this is going to be in the backdrop of most, if not all, my future videos and my future live streams I plan to do. Let's take a step back and take a look. Yeah, it looks good. That honestly looks good, and I can't wait to get stuff on it. Sadly, it's a bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit larger. I miscalculated the size. It's a bit smaller, but it will work. It's excellent for my needs, and I can't wait to use it. So yeah, I would like to thank everyone for watching. You guys are awesome. I can't wait to release more videos. And hopefully in the near future, I can show off more content, more stuff that I plan to do, especially with like the pegboard, being able to add tools to it, adding some really cool, and this is a spoiler, but really cool 3D printed pegboard pieces. Like this one, this is a little castle piece thing, but it's a pegboard piece that hangs off the pegboard. I plan to do a full video featuring this soon. So if you want to see that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what else you want me to work on. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you all for watching, and have a good day.